this tutorial, we will solve one easy problem and one not so straightforward problem on the perimeter of squares. Welcome to Home Campus, the Singapore Maths YouTube channel. Here you will learn math concepts in a fun and easy way. Please click on the like and subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will be notified when we upload new math videos. If you want us to solve your homework questions, leave a comment down below. Alright, now let's dive straight into this tutorial. Our first question is, square C has a perimeter of 32 centimeters. Find its length. Let's recall from a previous tutorial that the perimeter of a square is 4 times its length. Check out the link above to refresh your memory. Now in this question, the perimeter of square C is 32 centimeters. That means 4 times one side of square C is 32 centimeters. In order to find the length of one side of square C, all we need to do is divide the perimeter by 4, or divide 32 by 4, which gives us 8 centimeters. And that's our answer. Here's our second problem. Clara joins 4 identical straws to form a square as shown below. The distance around the square is 36 centimeters. What is the length of each straw? If you can immediately see that this question is related to perimeter, then well and good. If you can't, then don't worry. We will take a closer look at it. The question states that the distance around the square is 36 centimeters. Recall that the perimeter of a figure is nothing but the distance around it. So, in this case, the perimeter of the square is 36 centimeters, which means that if we divide 36 by 4, we will get the length of the square, and that is equal to 9 centimeters. As is quite clear from the figure, the length of the square is the same as the length of each straw. Therefore, the length of each straw, which is what we are required to find out, is 9 centimeters. That's all for now. Sometimes, the way that questions are phrased can be tricky. But as long as we are able to break them down, visualize them, or even draw them out, we will be able to nail them. Remember that practice makes perfect. It's your turn now. Go ahead, download free perimeter worksheets at homecampus.com.sg and practice some questions. Website link is in the description below. Keep learning with Home Campus Singapore Math.